So there's been a recent court case that I've been following that has uncovered how ultra-rich DJs get away with paying less taxes than you. Let's talk about it. It's November 2024 and Tiësto was sitting in a New York courtroom against his former tax attorney Frank Boutellard. Boutellard was accused of hiding tens of millions of dollars of his client's money in offshore bank accounts. About $70 million between Tiësto and Afrojack alone. Boutellard's plan for both of the DJs was to set up shell companies in Cyprus and Guernsey, which are essentially tax havens. Tiësto created a company known as Safe from Harm, which was claimed to be protection from lawsuits, but in reality it was to avoid US taxes. When Tiësto stayed over the maximum number of days to count as a US resident, Boutellard simply removed Tiësto's name as the beneficiary, hiding the money from the IRS. Afrojack basically did the same thing but in Guernsey. Both DJs used the money quite extravagantly. Afrojack infamously bought a red Ferrari 458 only to crash it 35 minutes later. And it didn't even make a dent in his finances as Boutellard suggested to put the accident under his mother's name. However, the cards began to fall in 2018 when Tiësto's US tax team noticed that there were indications of fraud. Later on, Dutch tax authorities caught up to Boutellard and arrested him. Tiësto set out a settlement payment of about $9 million, which is about 9% of the $100 million that he made over 2012 to 2017. Afrojack did something similar as well. Ultimately, Boutellard was sentenced to 30 months in prison with about a $19 million in restitution. And while Tiësto and Afrojack were victims of bad financial advice, because this entire trial is public, it is solid proof how the rich exploit tax loopholes.